Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about this topic of public toilet and its problem. So, public toilet it's very essential facilities that we need in the crowded areas like public places in hospitals, roadside areas, and railway stations, and also bus stand, and this type of places we need public toilets. But somehow these public toilets have been faces this type of problems of lack of maintenance. So they now we are facing we people are facing some problems like lack of water in the bathrooms, lack of sanitization systems, soaps. This type of things are very less in amount in the public toilets, and the drainage system is not good for the public toilets. So these type of problems are there in these places, and people are facing many diseases from these harmful bacteria, harmful microorganisms are there. They are growing inside the drainage system, like UTI. People like women and children may face UTIs, and also the communicable disease, other communicable disease, and also the dermatitis problems. These type of things are very much prone to happen from this public transport. Sorry, public toilet. Sorry. Public toilet.
Uh, what is your no. You got- if you are given the authority to change like one particular thing, just one thing about public toilets, like what will you suggest a change?
Um, the sanitation.
Like to properly clean the
Properly clean
toilets.
the toilet once
Okay.
a day properly, once or twice a day properly.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, since most of the toilets are like not clean
Very
properly. Yeah.
dirty, very
Yeah.
dirty. They are. The speeds are here and there.
Yeah, that's
That is human nature.
Yes.
I have a question for you. That is, I think, for my personal opinion, that is, it is important a woman rather than a man, because you
Yes.
know very well that. So, give me a three vital point for the woman.
Women, use properly the waters before and after urination, and always keep the pee safe with them, and also use the disposal of the sanitary napkins in the right garbage boxes. This type of things are very much required in the public toilets.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So my question is, there is like urban and rural areas. So which type of areas need this kind of the public toilets more, you think?
Both.
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 Like why?
Because
In
in
case of rural areas, can you example you can take?
rural areas, in hospitals are there, and also the hospitals, and in case of the rural hospitals are very required this type of public toilets, and in the railway stations.
And in case of urban areas?
Urban areas, in roadside it is required, and national highway,
Hmm.
this is very required, and also in the shopping malls, in the restaurant. But it is there, but
There
it
is
is
already
not
have.
clean. That is not clean
Okay.
to use. That's why.
So the thing that like normally every people's like men women they all face, that is like the smell of the toilets, public toilets. Whenever we enter there is a bad smell because of low maintenance.
Yes.
So how can it be changed? Is it the
uh,
fault of government only or public also?
Public, both.
Okay.
Both. Because when one person use the toilet, they don't clean it properly, they don't wash it, the urination or whatever they do, they properly don't wash it, or they don't use the water properly. So, and don't use the water use basins are there inside the bathroom, they don't clean it properly, and this type of things may happen. So government never takes necessary steps for these type of things. They just set up a bathroom, set up a washroom for the public crowded areas like parks and restaurant, for the railways, but don't pay attention to them properly.
Take your seat.